Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your IBAN on UniCredit app. So we need to follow these simple steps. So first, open the UniCredit mobile app on your phone, log in using your PIN, fingerprint or Face ID, and then go to your accounts section. This is usually the first screen after login, showing all your bank accounts. Select the account you want the IBAN for. Tap on your checking or savings account from the list. Open account details. Look for an option like account details, account information, or a small info icon, and then locate the IBAN field. Your IBAN will be displayed along with other details like account number, BIC, SWIFT code, and account holder name. Copy or share your IBAN. Most versions of the app allow you to copy, share, or save the IBAN directly for sending to someone. Here is an extra tip. If you don't see the IBAN right away, check for options such as share account details or view bank coordinates. The IBAN will always be in that section. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.